Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 ideas to make money with 3D printing. A question arises: what does 3D printing mean? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. Why is 3D printing important? It allows users to produce items that have geometries which are difficult or impossible for traditional methods to produce, with a limited experience to edit designs and create bespoke, customized parts. On-demand 3D printing also saves on tooling costs and provides an advanced time to market. A great idea to make money from 3D printing is niche product manufacturing, dentistry, jewelry, etc. 3D printing has the potential to impact almost all business sectors, but instead of catering to the complete audience, focusing on a niche can be a great start for the business. Attain expertise in your specific niche and build other products around your niche. It will help in gaining expertise and technical problems and their subsequent solutions. One of the best ways to make money with 3D printing is to sell educational models to schools. It is now widely accepted that 3D printing is an excellent learning tool that is widely used in STEM education. Once you have the sample models, you just need to go on a selling spree. You can create 3D printed conceptual models to explain all human body bones, science, math, geography, history. Another best way to make money with 3D printing is 3D scanning. Because of the ease with which any type of object can be 3D printed, many industries are now scanning obsolete or old machine parts and having them 3D printed. Several websites list available jobs, and you can also contact companies directly to inquire about contracting work. Once you have found a few potential clients, you can begin the process of scanning and creating digital files. In addition to the best way to make money with 3D printing is to provide consultation services. You'll need to do a few things to be a successful consultant. First, learn about 3D printing yourself. You need to understand the different types of printers and filament and the software involved. Next, build a strong network of contacts. Your network can be other consultants who can refer business your way and clients who may be interested in your services. Finally, create marketing materials that showcase your skills and highlight the benefits of working with you. The 5th idea to make money from 3D printing is to sell digital 3D models. The only prerequisite is that you need to be proficient in designing for 3D printing. If you are, then you can try to search for trends and cash in on them by creating relevant 3D models. You can also create unique models for household or office products like home decor. You can sell them on online 3D model repositories. 3D printing industries. Due to the versatility of the process, 3D printing has applications across a range of industries. For example, aerospace, automotive, medical, rail, robotics. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.